Hello children, from today let us start a new chapter, chapter number 4, Exponents. So now we'll learn about what is an exponential form. Here I have taken certain numbers. I have multiplied 10 3 times, that is 10 into 10 into 10. The answer will be 1000. If I multiply 10 4 times, the answer will be 10,000. If 2 is multiplied 3 times, the answer will be 8. And if I multiply 2 5 times, the answer will be 32. So let us see, is there any other way of writing this? 10, if it is multiplied 3 times, I can write it as 10 raised to 3. 10 multiplied 4 times, I can write it as 10 raised to 4. Similarly, 2 is multiplied thrice, I will write it as 2 raised to 3. And 2 is multiplied 5 times, I write it as 2 raised to 5. So all this what I have written, that is 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 4, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 5 are known as exponential form. And 1000, 10,000, 8, 32 what I wrote is known as a product form. So let us know what is a base and a power in the exponential form. I have taken an exponential form here, 2 raised to 5. Here 2, which is multiplied 3 times, 5 times, is known as the base of the exponent. And how many times this base is multiplied? That is, here in this example, 2 is multiplied 5 times, that is 2 raised to 5. So I can call 2 as the base and 5 as the power or exponent. So let us now take one more example. Here you can see that b is multiplied n times. So if I want to write this in exponential form, I will write it as b raised to n. And how will I read it? Since b is the base and n is the power, I will read it as b raised to the power of n or b raised to n. So here n is known as the exponent and it is defined as that value which specifies how many times the base will be multiplied by itself. And base is that number that is been multiplied repeatedly in the expanded form. Let us take few more examples and see how we can read this exponential form. Here 5 is multiplied thrice. So I will read it as 5 raised to 3 or 5 raised to the power of 3, or it is also read as 5 cube. Here a is multiplied 4 times, so it is written as a raised to 4, and I will read it as a raised to 4 or a raised to the power of 4. So now let us learn that if a number is given to us, how to convert it into exponential form. Here, first step is we have to find the prime factors of the given number. Then write the factors in an exponential form. I have taken example 1024. So first I will find the prime factors. So you can see the prime factors are that 2 is multiplied 10 times. So in exponential form I will write it as 2 raised to 10. Let us take one more example. That is 144 divided by 81. Here you can see that it is a rational number. So I will find the factors of the numerator and the denominator separately. The factors of 144 are 2 multiplied 4 times and 3 multiplied twice. And factors of 81 are 3 multiplied 4 times. You can see that here 3 of the numerator and 2 3's of the denominator can be cut. So I get the answer as 2 raised to 4 divided by 3 raised to 2. So let us now solve some of the problems from exercise 4.1. So I have taken your question number 2. Express the following in exponential form. Write the base and the exponent for each. B1, you have minus 8 by 729. First we'll find the prime factors. So I have found here the prime factors of 729. You can see that it is 3 is multiplied 6 times. So I will write it in the numerator. I will write minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, and in the denominator 3 is multiplied 6 times. So I can write this in the form of minus 2 raised to 3 divided by 9 raised to 3. And then I can write it as minus 2 divided by 9 raised to 3. So here base is minus 2 by 9 and exponent is 3. So let us continue with C1, that is 625 divided by 14,641. So first I'll find the prime factors of each of this number. So prime factor of 625 is 5 multiplied 4 times, and of 14,641 is 11 multiplied 4 times. So I have 5 raised to 4 divided by 11 raised to 4. So I can write it as 5 divided by 11 whole raised to 4. Here the base is 5 by 11 and exponent is 4. So let us now continue with question number 4. Let us solve K1. So the question says it is 3 raised to 5 into 1 by 15 whole raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5. So we'll write it in an expanded form, that is 3 is multiplied 5 times, 5 is multiplied 5 times, and 15 is multiplied 5 times. And when I simplify, I get the answer as 1. Come to L1, that is 1 by 2 whole cube plus 3 by 4 whole square into minus 2 by 3 whole cube. So first let us solve the bracket, that is 1 by 2 whole cube will be equal to 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 whole square will be 9 by 16. I'll take the LCM of this bracket and add it. I get 11 by 16 into minus 8 by 27. When I simplify this, I get minus 11 by 54. Let us come to N1. It reads as minus 3 whole cube divided by 3 by 5 whole square. So minus 3 whole cube is minus 27 and 3 by 5 is equal to 9 by 25. So when I take the reciprocal of that become minus 27 into 25 by 9. So the answer is minus 75. So let us now solve question number 5. That is, we have to find the value of x in each of the following equations. I will take A1. So the question is minus 2 whole raised to x is equal to minus 128. First I will find the prime factors of this number 128 and write it in the exponential form, that is minus 2 whole raised to x is equal to minus 2 whole raised to 7. So you can see that here the bases are same. So I can equate the powers. So I can write it as x is equal to 7. Let us come to the next one. C1. We have 2 raised to x is equal to 1024. So I will find the prime factors of 1024 and write it in exponential form. So when I write in the exponential form, I can write it as 2 raised to 10. So here you can see the bases are same. So the powers can be equated. So I can say that x is equal to 10. Now let me take one more example. That is F1 I'll solve. That is 6 by 7 whole raised to x is equal to 7,776 divided by 16,807. So first I'll find the prime factors of 7,776 and then find the prime factors of 16,807 and write that in the exponential form. When I write in the exponential form, you can see that I can write it in the form of 6 by 7 whole raised to x is equal to 6 by 7 whole raised to 5. So here you can see the bases are same. So I can equate the powers. So the answer will be x is equal to 5. So children, let us now solve question number 6. Here we have to find out the value of the following expression when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 and z is equal to 10. I'll solve A1. The question is x square y cube into z. I'll substitute for x, y, z. That is 2 square into 3 cube into 10. So the answer is 1080. E1 x raised to y, z raised to x. So I will substitute x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 and z is equal to 10, and when I multiply I get the answer as 800. So children, let us now continue in our next video. Thank you.